Hey guys, so I was able to get my hands on the new Rovi CL-6001 or Rovi Prime as they call it, which retails for $149 at Target. You can find it on rovicams.com and soon to reach other retailers. Now what really sets this dash cam apart is the fact that it's feature packed for that sub $200 category. It's got a max resolution of 1080p at 30 frames per second. The screen, which is LCD, is 1.5 inch, has 150 degree viewing angle, Wi-Fi capable, has impact detection, loop recording, and also comes with GPS. Install was extremely easy. You don't need a professional to do it, as the mount comes with double-sided tape. Once you find where you want it, you stick it on, and then the included USB cable, all you have to do is tuck it in so it doesn't protrude in any area, which will then connect to either the USB port for your vehicle, or if it does not have one, it does include a cigarette lighter charging adapter. Once you've installed and powered on the unit, you want to go ahead and download the Rovi app, which is available on the Apple App Store and also in the Google Play Store. It's very easy to set up, as it's just going to ask you to allow permission to access your photos so you can save any downloads, and then it's going to have you connect via its own Wi-Fi network, where it's going to provide the password, and from there sync up, allow you to set up any type of conditions. So if you wanted to do parking mode, motion sensing, change the resolution, or any of those options, you'll be able to do that for both the video and the photo portion of this camera. Another feature with the app is that you'll be able to download any footage or images that are on the dash cam right from the phone without having to disconnect the dash cam and take off the SD card. This app just makes it really convenient to 1. Set up your dash cam, 2. Be able to review any footage on the spot if you wanted to share it or if you needed it for any unfortunate circumstance, but definitely gives you a very easy way to get that information right on your phone without having to hassle of finding the adapter for your SD card, putting it on the computer and exporting it, as it will go ahead and do everything right from the app itself. Now, I went ahead and installed the camera, set it all up, and decided to go ahead and take it for a drive. So this is actually what it looks and sounds like. So as you can tell, the picture is great, there's no distortion, and the sound quality is also amazing coming from this dash cam. As you can see, it'll also tell you the date, the time, and with the GPS module, gives you the ability to see how fast you were going, and when you go ahead and export it, can give you more GPS data. So there you have it. My first impression of the Rovi CL-6001 is definitely great. A camera that gives you GPS, gives you a Wi-Fi app, 1080p at 30 frames per second, all for under $200. Definitely great for anybody that just wants to capture any moments while they're driving or protect their investment. So I definitely recommend it. I'm gonna go ahead and run it for a while and see what happens on a day-to-day use, see if there's anything that can come up, pros, cons, and let you know. So I'll see you in the next one.